Huh? What is it?
Oh, it's a mink. It's a fucking mink. Dude, holy shit, a fucking mink. Dude, holy shit.
Alright, you guys are probably wondering, what does a mink look like? Okay, well, if you look right here on the screen, you're going to see that we put up a photo of a mink. This is what it looks like. It's the real one seen. So, just so you guys know.
I didn't know we had those in Tennessee.
I thought that thing was an otter, bro.
Dude, I thought it was an otter too. That's a fucking mink, Caleb.
Yo, that's actually sick. That was cute.
Dude, they are so cute, but they're fucking vicious as fuck.
Actually?
Yeah. Look at all the crawdads down here.
Where at? Oh, yeah, I see them. God damn. They all, like, once they see, like, us, they shelter. They come under all the rocks.
Yeah. Just all the fucking the terrain, dude.
See what I mean?